Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna try organic and healthy snacks again today. So we actually got this today from our aunt, and today we're gonna just try them and see like these all different types of chips and popcorns and stuff like that. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna open this hummus. It says Hope, original hummus.
This one?
Yeah, you can get that one. Apple, don't fall down. Okay, so open the cap. Yeah, and we got scissors this time. As you know, last tasting video, it was like an opening challenge instead of a taste challenge. Oh, smells good. That's how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. And so I'm gonna first try these ranch chips.
Can you show what kind of chips is that?
Ranch.
Ranch. Okay.
I'm excited about this one. Ah, can I have the scissors, please? Scissors is hiding.
Mr. Scissors.
Oh,
Mr. Scissors.
oh, it smells good. It smells like a garlic a little bit. Look at this.
See.
So I'm gonna.
Can you show what are you eating right now? Show the package.
It's good.
It's really good.
So I'm gonna try it with hummus.
Zainab, which one are you trying?
So this is with
The
hummus.
sea salt one. Okay.
I put
The
hummus
sea-
on it.
You put hummus on it?
It's really
What's
good.
your favorite? With or without hummus?
With. Okay, let's try. This
Zainab,
apple.
do you like it?
Oh, this one was much easier to open with hands.
What is that? Can you show
Apple
what you
chips.
Can you show
Chips.
please? Can you show the package please?
Here, it's like hard. Because you can.
What is it saying? What kind of chips is that?
Bear, baked, crunchy, Fuji, and red organic apple chips. It's sweet.
Is it really crunchy?
Okay.
Soft or crunchy?
Crunchy and soft, like medium.
Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet and sour. It's like a mix of flavors. And so, yeah, it's really good. Let's go.
Try it. It's so yummy.
I'll try later.
Okay, so now we have organic kale chips, which is Cool Ranch.
Oh, okay.
For some reason, it's so easy to open now. Oh, wow. Look at that. Kale.
Try that.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, sounds
It's all-
crunchy.
I don't know.
Can you share one with me, please? I want to try.
Actually, it's not that bad.
You can try this one. It's delicious.
Actually, it's not that bad.
What
This
is it?
one isn't that bad.
Cool Ranch.
Oh, it has Cool Ranch. Okay.
Yeah.
It's
I
together
want to
with
try this
ranch.
banana ones. It says bear banana. It's like the banana version.
Baked with what?
Baked with cinnamon. Ooh. Why is it so easy to open now? Okay, look.
Let me see.
It's like darkish purplish orange. Wow.
Try this. It's so yummy.
I don't. It's like so sweet, but so cinnamony. I
Can
don't
you
know how to
try
describe
this?
it.
It's so yummy.
Let me see. Thank you.
And then this is the last bear one.
Really good.
So this is Granny Smith organic apple chips.
So you didn't like the bananas?
No.
Why?
So far, it was like so sweet and so like cinnamony in a way.
It was it soft? Soft or crunchy?
It was like crunchy. Yeah, it was crunchy. So this is a Granny Smith, but for some reason it's like purplish, like the apple. It's like the same thing, but like it just says a different
But
color.
I feel the
Can I
salt.
try?
in here. It's really yummy.
So this
I
is
love the apples.
yeah.
Really good.
This is lime, squeeze of lime, tortilla chips.
Apples are good. Lime. Okay.
You know, I'm gonna go the.
Mm,
I'm gonna have more
popcorn.
IQ if I do this. Okay, there we go. Oh, it smells good. Okay, let's try. That's how it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I need to order. I can get it.
Oh, when you bite it, it's like slightly sour.
Mm-hmm.
I have
so-
to get my water.
It's like kind of like when you bite it, it's like lime-ish. That's weird.
Do you
But
like
it's
it?
good. Yeah, it's good.
You want to try with your dip?
Mhm.
The hummus dip?
Yeah. I really like this.
And let me know if you like it with the dip.
Mm. The hummus takes away the lime flavor,
Oh.
so it's
Can-
more hummusy chips. Like,
Can I have one lime chips?
uh-huh.
Thank you. Mmm.
The camera will.
Mmm.
You see, like when you bite it, it has like a
Mmm.
tingy pop-up flavor. Okay.
For some reason, it tastes like waffles. Lemon waffles.
Yeah. And this is
Can you show
sea
us the
salt
packages?
popcorn. Yeah. Boom chicka pop.
Oh, boom chicka pie, yeah.
This is like we get the purple ones. Do you ever?
We
do you
usually
guys
get
know?
the purple ones,
Yeah, the
right?
sweet kettle corn ones. We like those. When we went on a trip to Florida with our home, like with our car, it was 12 hours drive, and we got like 3 packets of boom chicka pop.
You remember that?
Yeah. Okay, so let's try this. Tastes like normal popcorn.
Can I try?
This is a big one.
Mm.
It tastes like normal popcorn.
Really good though.
Let's try with
I
hummus.
got my water.
Now I'm just gonna try with hummus. I don't know. I have no idea how it's
I
gonna
got
taste
my
like.
water.
Okay.
Okay. Zainab, you want to try the popcorn?
Yeah,
No.
it's really good.
I can just
It's
eat
like
this
a
one. It's so
Crunchy
delicious.
pop flavor with like
It gets down already.
garlic and
Oh, are you trying popcorn with dip?
yeah. it's
You
really
like
good.
it?
Yeah, I like it.
Can you put your dip on?
Sure. It's really good.
Open this.
So
Can you open
Yeah.
this?
Mama, can you help us?
okay, sure.
Mm-mm.
Super oily finger power. Here is the cap. This is another popcorn. It's like organic Himalayan pink salt with coconut oil.
Oh, that's coconut oil. Okay.
Let's
We
try.
haven't tried with coconut oil.
Try.
Oh, my water is disgusting. Oh.
What?
Oh.
Yeah, try it. It's like eh.
Mm-mm.
I don't like it. Let's try with the dip. Let's see if it like.
You didn't like it? I
No.
kind of like it. Can you give me more?
You want with dip?
No.
I like it with dip.
I can taste the coconut oil.
Yeah, same.
But I like it.
It's like no, I like popcorn with ranch. Hummus. It goes better because it's like poppy and like fluffy.
Can I try with the dip?
Uh-huh.
Let me try.
It's really good. I like it.
I
And
like you.
the last one. Tortilla chips, sea salt.
Hey!
I don't see. Show that? Oh yeah, the one. The cheese.
Yeah.
Zainab is it?
Oh, got a big one. Normal chips again. So let's try it with the
Try it with dip.
dip.
Zainab, you want to try the dip?
No.
Why?
That's why I feel the salt. It's so yummy.
apple amazing.
Okay, now tell me what was your favorite snack?
I actually like this one.
Which one? The lime one?
Yeah, I like lime with ranch and lime itself.
Very fresh, right?
The worst thing that
I like the apple chips.
I didn't
Can
like
I
this.
try? I didn't try that banana.
Banana? Yeah.
Cinnamon.
I don't like the banana one. It's so like.
I like it, but very crunchy. Like really hard.
I
Oh, it's
didn't
really
know.
hard to chew
I didn't
them.
know I would say this, but I actually kind of like the kale chips.
I think I would like it without the Cool Ranch. Just the plain kale chips. I think I would love.
My mom would make just plain kale chips by herself.
I
Oh,
like
good.
that.
Yeah.
I like the plain kale chips. Okay, but you like those Cool Ranch ones, so
Yep.
okay.
Well, I guess this is it, guys.
We will enjoy the snacks.
Yeah, we will just finish the snacks in like 2 days. You can feel free to order this on the Whole Foods app. And so, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a like down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, Zainab.